My name is David McLeod, and I'm a graduate student here at the University of Kansas Biodiversity Institute, and I work in the Division of Herpetology. The group of frogs that I work with is the species complex called Limnonectes cooley, and it's distributed everywhere from eastern India, across southern China, and then down to Java and Sumatra. So it covers all of Southeast Asia. Up until now, we've called everything that looks like this little brown, beady-eyed frog with warts on its legs, we've called all of them Limnonectes cooley. But what we're finding is that really what looks like one species everywhere you go is really actually, there's a great deal of diversity. There may be 13, 15, maybe more different species nested within what we currently call cooley. They're fanged frogs. Limnonectes is a great group of frogs. They're frogs with weird features, big heads, fang-like processes coming out of their jaws. The males are bigger than females. To be a graduate student in herpetology, for me what that involves is both doing field work, and I've had the opportunity to travel to Southeast Asia and do field work, and a lab component where you go and you collect specimens and then you come back to the lab and you're processing specimens. With my research, I'm using genetic information, so I'm extracting DNA from their tissues and I'm processing that to inform me about how, out of 10 frogs, how are those 10 frogs that all look the same, how are they related to each other? With the advent of molecular sequencing, we're able to say what differences occur, not just at the gross physical level, but what happens at the genetic level, what happens at that fundamental level of what makes an organism what it is, what little changes have occurred in the A's, C's, T's, and G's that make up their DNA. I love doing field work. I'm eager to get back into the field. The field is where I am most at home and where I feel most energized because it's new, it's all new, and there's always something to be discovered. There is so much that we don't know. If we have some estimates say, right now we recognize about 1.5 to 1.7 million species, but yet there are 5 to 100 million species potentially on Earth. We have just scratched the surface in terms of understanding the diversity of the globe.